A for apple, APPLE. Apple means save. B for ball, BALL. Ball means cane. C for cat, CAT. Cat means billy. D for dog, DOG. Dog means kutta. E for elephant, ELEPHANT. Elephant means hathi. F for flag, FLAG. Flag means झंडा. G for girl, GIRL. Girl means लड़की. H for hen, HEN. Hen means मुर्गी. I for ice cream, ICECREAM. Ice cream means ice cream. J for jug, JUG. Jug means mug. K for king, KING. King means raja. L for lion, LION. Lion means शेर. M for moon, MOON. Moon means चांद. N for night, NIGHT. Night means रात. O for ox, OX. Ox means बैल. P for parrot, PARROT. Parrot means तोता. Q for queen, QUEEN. Queen means रानी. R for rabbit, RABBIT. Rabbit means खरगोश. S for sun, SUN. Sun means सूरज. T for tiger, TIGER. Tiger means बाघ. U for umbrella, UMBRELLA. Umbrella means छाता. V for van, VAN. Van means गाड़ी. W for wall, WALK. Wall means टहलना. X for Xmas, XMAS. Xmas means Xmas tree. Y for yak, YAK. Yak means yak. Z for zoo, ZOO. Zoo means चिड़ियाघर.
English alphabets. A for apple, APPLE. V for ball, BALL. C for cat, CAT. D for dog, DOG. E for elephant, ELEPHANT. F for fish, FISH. G for gun, GUN. H for hen, HEN. I for inkpot, INKPOT. J for joker, JOKER. K for kite, KITE. L for lion, LION. M for mango, MANGO. N for nest, NEST. O for ox, OX. P for parrot, PARROT. Q for queen, QUEEN. R for rabbit, RABBIT. S for sun, SUN. T for tiger, TIGER. U for umbrella, UMBRELLA. V for van, VAN. W for woman, WOMEN. X for Xmas, XMAS. Y for yak, YAK. Z for zebra, ZEBRA. Thank you for watching. Subscribe my channel for more regular updates.